unpack regionalism in international relations and international affairs. Lecture outlines introduction, types of regionalism, challenges and criticisms, importance of regionalism, real world examples, core arguments, IR theory, supporting regionalism, regional cooperation and regional integration, regional cooperation in a global context, the process of European Union's and reports conclusion. So let's start. Introduction. Regionalism in international affairs refers to the process by which regions become significant actor in global political and economic landscape. This can involve economic integration, political cooperation, and cultural exchange among countries within a specific geographic area. It involves a common sense of identity and purpose among countries within a specific geographic area. Regional cooperation and regional integration. Regional cooperation. This involves countries within a region working together on common issues such as trade, security, and environmental protection. Examples include ASEAN, Association of South Asian Nations, and SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Regional integration. This is a deeper form of cooperation where countries within a region integrate their economies and policies. The European Union is a prime example with its single market and common policies. Regional cooperation in a global context. Economic impact. Regional cooperation can enhance economic stability and growth by creating larger markets and reducing trade barriers. Political influence. Regions can collectively exert more influence on global affairs, such as in negotiation with the United Nations or World Trade Organization. Nationalism. Social and cultural exchange. This is the third point. This is the third point. Promote cultural understanding and social cohesion among member states. The process of European Union integration. Historical background. Post World War I efforts to ensure peace and economic stability led to creation of the European Coal and Steel Community, which evolved into the European Union. Key milestone: the Treaty of Rome 1957, the Maastricht Treaty 1992, and the Lisbon Treaty 2009 are significant steps in the European Union's development. Trend structure. The European Union has a single market, a customs union, and policies on various issues such as agriculture, fisheries, and regional development. Historical development. Old regionalism and new regionalism. Old regionalism. Initiatives from the 1950s and 1960s, primarily in Western Europe, leading to the formation of entities like European Economic Community. New regionalism emerged in the late 1980s, characterized by renewed interest in regional integration and the formation of new regional organizations. Challenges and criticisms. Sovereignty concerns. Member states may be reluctant to cede sovereignty to regional institutions. Inequality. Economic and political disparities among member states can hinder effective cooperation. Global versus regional. Balancing regional interest with global commitments and multilateralism. Key examples. European Union, a prime example of regionalism evolving from economic cooperation to a comprehensive political and economic union. ASEAN, the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, promoting economic growth, social progress, and regional stability. NAFTA, North American Free Trade Agreement, now the United Nations Mexico-Canada Agreement, focusing on economic integration in North America. Regionalism in international relations is a dynamic and evolving field reflecting the complexities of global political and diverse motivations of states to cooperate within their regions. Now we have types of regionalism, which are very important. So, economic regionalism. So, firstly, we have definition, example, Okay, so here we have three examples of economic regionalism. Let's start from definition. Economic regionalism involves the creation of economic agreement and institutions to promote trade, investment, and economic cooperation among member states. Examples: free trade areas, agreement to eliminate tariffs and trade barriers among member countries, for example, NAFTA, customs union. Member states adopt a common external tariff on imports from non-member countries, for example, the Southern African Customs Union. Common markets, free movement of goods, services, capital, and labor among member countries, for example, the European Union single market. And this is our fourth example, okay? This economic unions. Integration of economic policies and institutions, including a common currency, for example, Eurozone within European Union. Political regionalism, second type. Definition: political regionalism focuses on political cooperation and integration to achieve common political goals, enhance regional stability, and promote collective decision making. Example: political unions. Member states share political institutions and governance structure. For example, European Union. Regional political organizations, forums for political dialogue and cooperation. For example, the African Union and ASEAN. Security regionalism. Definition: security regionalism involves cooperation among member states to address common security challenges, enhance regional stability, and promote collective defense. Example: regional defense alliances, agreements for mutual defense and security cooperation, for example, NATO, regional security organization, forums for addressing security issues and conflicts resolution, for example, the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europe. Social and cultural regionalism. Definition: social and cultural regionalism focuses on promoting cultural exchange, social cohesion, and shared identity among member states. Example: cultural organizations, institution promoting cultural heritage and exchange, for example, the Arab League's educational, cultural, and scientific organization. Actually, this is our second example. Okay, this. Okay, social policy coordination, cooperation on social issues such as education, health, labor standards, for example, the Nordic Council. Environmental regionalism. Definition: environmental regionalism involves cooperation among member states to address environmental challenges and promote sustainable development. For example, regional environmental agreements, treaties, and agreements to protect environment. For example, the Amazon Cooperation Treaty Organization. Regional environmental organizations, institutions focus on environmental conservation and sustainability. For example, the South Asia Cooperative Environmental Program. Functional regionalism. Definition: functional regionalism focuses on cooperation in specific functional areas such as transportation, energy, and infrastructure. Examples include regional infrastructure projects, joint projects to develop regional infrastructure, for example, European Transport Network. Energy cooperation, agreement for regional energy producing and distribution. For example, the Gulf Cooperation Council's electricity grid. Subregionalism. Definition: subregionalism involves cooperation among a smaller group of countries within a large region, often to address specific local issues. Example: sub-regional organization, institution focus on sub-regional cooperation. For example, the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Suprastate regionalism. Definition: suprastate regionalism refers to the cooperation and integration between different regions of a country to achieve common goals. Example: regional council organizations formed to promote economic and social development within a country. For example, the North Eastern Council in India. Interstate Interstate regionalism definition. Interstate regionalism involves cooperation and collaboration between different states of a country to address common issues. Example, regional forums, organizations formed by states to address economic development and governance issue. So now finally we have a conclusion. Regionalism plays a crucial role in shaping international relations by fostering cooperation and integration among countries. While it offers numerous benefits, it also presents challenges that require careful management to ensure that regional and global interests are balanced. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.